Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about the most effective practice in English fluency. If you want to learn English or fluency in any other language, then you have to do this practice. You can't skip it. So today I'll be talking about what is shadowing, how shadowing works, how you can practice it, their benefits, and which mistakes you have to avoid. These 5 topics I will be talking about, so don't skip, watch the video till the end. So the first point is, what is shadowing? So basically, shadowing is about mimicking or imitating the other person or the native English speaker. Yes, choose someone who is native in English and mimic that person or imitate that person. Their expression, their accent, everything, just mimic them. This practice is called shadowing. If you don't know much about shadowing, then you can say that it is copying. Yes, kindly it is, but it is not copying. It's the most effective practice in English fluency. So you just can't call it copy, but it is the most effective, so you have to do it. Okay. And trust me, if you do this 15 to 30 minutes daily, your fluency level will increase very soon. So this is what shadowing is about. So the next thing is how shadowing works. How much time you should do it, daily you have to do it or not, what is the procedure. So the number one thing is, if you're a beginner, start with 15 minutes, then 20, 25, 30 to 45, someday 1 hour also you can do it, but 1 hour is too much. 30 to 45 is the best thing. If you're a beginner, start with 15 minutes. Number two, daily you have to do it. If you want higher benefits, then do it daily. If you don't want, if you don't have the time, then do it like in a week, 3 or 4 days. Must. Minimum 3 or 4 days you have to do it. And if you are free, then do it daily. Actually, it's not about free. If you want to learn something, you have to give your time. So daily 15 to 30 minutes you have to give. And trust me, it is the most effective thing. So if you will give your time to this, you won't regret. And the last one is, what is the procedure of it? So the procedure is, first play the video, then just watch it or listen it for 2 minutes, like 2 minutes or 1 minute, just watch it, then pause it, then go back, then just mute the sound, watch the subtitles and say it in your own word, in your own voice, but by mimicking them. Then do this 2-3 times, then in the last of the subtitles also, then try to mimic. So this is the procedure. So first watch the video, then mute the sound with the subtitle you watch. Then at the last, after 2-3 times, off the subtitle also, and then again practice. So this is how you have to practice shadowing. I will be more detailed in the next talk. Okay, so the third practice is how you can practice shadowing. This is the most important one. So first, choose a very comfortable position. Sit, play a video of a native English speaker who is very fluent in English, whose accent is different, and you can understand their accent. So first pick that. Then play the video, watch it for 1 minute, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, pause, go back, then off the sound and mimic the person watching the subtitle. Then do it 2-3 times, then again play, watch off the subtitle and mimic in your own accent. जो आपने सुना था, अभी तक practice किया था, by that mimic that. So that is the actual practice technique of shadowing. First watch, then again speak, then again speak. If you are a beginner, you have to follow this. After you practice and go comfortable with that, then you can watch anything and just practice. This is also a second thing. Now I do it, just I watch it and together I do shadowing, like this video, watch it. Follow your dreams. Everyone has dreams. Some people want to be teachers, some want to be artists, and so like others want to travel the world. So like this video, now I watch anything, I just together practice. If I'm watching a series, currently I'm watching Friends. So when I watch it together, I try to mimic. And if I don't understand something, then I watch it for 30 seconds, pause, rewind, again speak. So this is the way. If you're a beginner, first listen, then speak. If you're not a beginner, then try to speak with the same. So that is mostly what shadowing is about. It's not something very much hi-fi or something very tough. This is not. You just have to watch a video, mimic the person. Watch a video, mimic the person. If you're a beginner, with subtitles on. If you're not, with subtitles off. That's it. If you're thinking that in this video I'm not understanding their accent too much, on the subtitle. If you're thinking, oh, I'm understanding the accent, of the subtitle. So you have to do the shadowing like this. Number 4 is, what is the benefit of shadowing? So as I said 1,000 times, this is the most effective one. So what is the benefits? So the benefits is, when you will try, practice, in your mind you will get an accent. In your voice also you will get an accent, and people will comment that, oh my god, your accent is getting different. I have gotten these comments, okay. So first thing is this. I hope you have liked my video. I have tried my best to give you all the information, all the detailed information about shadowing. Now it's your turn to practice. And if you are ready to practice, comment me on this video. I am ready. And if you like the video, do subscribe and one like. This will mean a lot.